I want to talk around the breadboard, which help us to connect different elements in electronic and have a different project without any dangerous things such as soldering, which is so dangerous for the children, and it make a different problem. Here we have different points which I want to show you how they connect to each others. Each 5 points in a column connect to each others. I show you in the back, such as here, and the row at the top of the breadboard and the bottom of the breadboard connect in a row. You can see it in a way that they are connected to each other. I wanna show you this simple project which the currents